Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to be reading Dump Trucks. Okay. A dump truck pulls up to an open mine. Its dump box is empty, but not for long. Another machine that scoops rocks into the dump truck. The dump truck drives to a stockyard. There, it tips the dump box up. The rocks slide out. The truck dumped its load. Power movers. Dump trucks are powerful machines. They move dirt, rocks, sand, and other heavy loads. They're often used at mines and construction sites. Look at how you're compared to a dump truck. Most trucks empty out the back. Others flip to the side. Sometimes dump trucks pull trailers to haul more onto the road. Levers and hoists. Dump truck drivers sit in a cab. They use levers and knobs to control the machine. Sometimes drivers climb ladders to reach the cabs. The dump box is behind the cab. It holds truck's loads. To empty the truck, one or two hoists lift the dump box. Then the load spills out. Many dump trucks have large, strong tires. Others have tracks instead. The tracks let them move over snow or soft ground. These are tracks. Thundering trucks. Dump truck engines rumble loudly. The trucks beep when they back up. Their loads can also clang and boom when emptied. This sounds like thunder. Dump trucks drive slowly. They have to carry loads with care. No matter their speed, dump trucks have important jobs. And that was the book. Thank you, boys and girls.